Hello, my dear friends. This is going to be a little bit of a different video because last night I took an Amazonian plant medicine before bed, known for inducing really vivid healing dreams, and I had such a tremendously healing experience. So I want to tell you about it, tell you about the plant, see if it's something you might want to try. So keep watching if you want to learn more about the plant, find out what I used, and hear about this cool dream I had. Bobinsana is the name of the plant medicine that I used last night. And before we start, just a really quick disclaimer. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a shaman, I'm not a jungle pharmacist. So if you are on meds or you have other health concerns, please do your own research to make sure that Bobinsana is okay for your system. This plant medicine is known for its heart-opening qualities. It is used to release emotional pain, to lift the spirits, to deepen intuition, to bring clarity, and to even quiet overthinking. Hello, Mind Loops. Physically, it helps arthritis, rheumatism, it's anti-inflammatory, it helps musculoskeletal pains, but what it's known for the most is for inducing healing lucid dreams. So last night, I was at a party. I was about to leave when I saw this weird, slushy making machine whirling around a smoothie. And I said to my friend, what's that? And this man turns around and says, "That's Bobinsana. Would you like to try some?" And I was like, "I've heard of that before." Sure. So he got us a little cup. But I remembered that it had this effect on dreams. So I was really excited. The dream I had was this. To set it up, I had a tremendous friend who was like a brother to me. We lived together in New York for many years and did all sorts of crazy things together, just an amazing artist. Well, a couple years ago, he had a cancer diagnosis. So I quickly got a plane ticket to go visit him in Mexico. And we were going to reminisce about all our experiences and adventures together and laugh and say what we needed to say to each other. Just amazing, excited to do that. He died before I could go to see him. Now, as a near-death experiencer, you know I always say things like, tell people you love them, apologize for things, do all that as soon as you can, because we never know when someone's going to die. Well, this goes 10 times as true if someone has a freaking cancer diagnosis. I never got to do any of those things or say my final things to this man. The grief for me has been really hard. Well, last night in the dream, Bobinsana took me on a trip to see my friend for the freaking last time. I got a do-over. Can you believe that? We talked about all our adventures and we were laughing, but both of us knew it was the last time we were going to be together. And it was so special and so healing for my heart. That's what Bobinsana gave me. There were other dreams as well. I was being held by huge people like a baby and given ice cream when I was upset, like I was a giant baby. It was just this incredible night of feeling supported and cared for. This is a powerful, beautiful medicine. I woke up feeling like a new person. It's legal. You can get it online. If you feel like trying something like that, it's really easy to get. I am extremely grateful for Bobinsana for helping me release that heavy grief. So I'm wondering, have you tried Bobinsana before? Or have you had a healing dream lately? Please share below. I love hearing how the subconscious or plant medicines bring that wisdom into our lives. If you would like to receive more divine guidance through dreams, then watch this video next, because in this one I give step-by-step instructions on how to use dream incubation to provide answers to health questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful week and really wonderful dreams.